debate nere Kisii county ebetetense abantu bakubulinga 2027 mumaima bonyonka okoegwe kerogo ticket ya Jubilee yovo governor gose macho ndaragendera ko bamunia nembugata sa comment section iga drop lietali ya gorocho onyonka gose macho abantu mbabwate various arguments nende tiganta benga ke maire nere chinga kichane na agambire nonyonka ntutu ara session asa kuri feedback kwati abantu because kana nge street koboli onyonka gose macho abantu baganta binga mbabwate issues nonyonka mbabwate issues na macho bono ngachikolet ngabekamo echo nyonga na chirikire echa macho kuna alikire onyonga ngamunyora tukoigwa nanga nguchutwa tole session asago shana abantu aberaneri nabono for instance abantu mbabolitinga umugitutu na lengo ne umugitutu asoy anu batanga mbi yaro sobo senate lakini kakuruwa bono ngagutigera matiani ende ngochikobo mo senate omu yakumubwa ono batanga tabwati pesa ono batanga tikararo pension ebintu nebinganda barizeti onyonka nguchiko Monday session iranali to be honest macho kutari available taliko cho consider media yaba important mostly macho gomboliki akoranga no so nara bit rubbishing asa abana bakemwe especially into bato gukina when it comes to the issues to do with the media kagara change yabo mugakora accommodative of the current digital industry na bongo ikaransa nere muvuli nere maswali yae based on what I discovered kurwa say ground kolende ebintu mbiro biko ba considered as of governor ebintu mbiro biko ba considered as of governor utara gukwa moji kubuli kwa ticket kubuli for governor ebintu mbiro biko ba considered ekamo kyabo competence yote 9-10 abana inchi mpaka ndema gendera igono competence no yego cyabo competence ne kero bwato uweze bwo gukora magendera no mwete kurani account teba buna bone yendo birale mu governor understand thinking kagasaini tame thinking yako rungi yako ruchia na uchia na rumo governor nyamira yeketa ngakikete ebintu biri kiriri masakara kabisa the credentials cha academics amakubuli kunga nokate World Bank no ligeta ngayaya ngolendo ligete timanyiti. We need competence as over governor because that is the president of the county. Where even if he performs well, he does not need to go for the presidency because he has done well at that level. He has served the people. He has run a budget. Nduga ndumu ndo competent to understand how the government runs. Afuno toku bwata tuwali yeli na ki nkero koki kwa haberzi. Machogu na lenge one term MP yaliva limasabu. Ninki akolete. Na lengo mo DC ninki akolete. Na bete cabinet secretary for education ninki akolete. Onyonka obere mo MP osen 3 terms ninki akolete. Obere mo senator ninki akolete. Boni gana kiale. That is the interrogation to when it comes to competence. Number 2, experience. We need both political and also work experience. Ngakiki wako rega singa wako. Unaona here that those who have worked on administrative roles ngutwara bale experience iki yaso kolega azuno ngwaye mama etumuna bawo choke bintu igobono eke maana pi ndo ndukuligelia saba ngwana abako chigase experience ke babwate. When it comes to politics ndo ndokora for how long have you been in politics? Though it's not a must you've been in politics before, we only want to takete okora wananchi gazi ndo the ability but kiazo kuli experience macho kuna kirisi kake na Onyonga because Onyonga were elected 4 times. But Machogu once. 2022 akakunzi. Igo political experience matters for both Onyonga and Machogu. On the comment section, na mogonte ningo what a better experience that we need in the county. Number 3 it is age. Ndugane timuntu mugaka mono, ndugane timuntu mwana mono. Yakogara vijana maroli bintu simbarati yako rabusongo. So we must reach a point that ena ya. Muntu kuita abantu ika honestly that is not the person we want. Muntu kora matiyange that's not the person we want. Ndio muntu ukukanya umuntu bata maskani watana no. Wikiraga we have to put a break. So miaka ngoma sana. Kerengo liye miaka ya Machogu are about 70 something. 75 years. Yingolige Onyonga are 64. Both leaders are ripe to be elected as governors of Kisii County. They are ripe. Babeire. Mbajiyeta was. Emiake Onyonga nemiya. Eno bomuntago choro abe governor. Igotali moke. Egento kende enemy. Ngobwate political ability yoko ire enemy kasimbarati. machogu oseno nyonga agore keroge ke 2027 ogo ku noko ba Simbarati atubwe itoko nganyu kurbosongo we ikatomanyinga ungubwate chinguru ogo waka Simbarati first half andeka moso to omuntu Simbarati arabwe ando ati anga machogu na abwe tu na Simbarati akika kyabwate nga this time nabaje kumbubwa ni intake sana gore chinga kichiane ndiki machogu to karaso nere one on one to she anga resevite ka rana Nairobi kumuriginde to time just ni monyore but I'll try my best to find him to manyanga na Simbarati na mubwe akika kyabwate na mubwe this time around ndo kene clanism mama choge mbanya konyora gavana bagirango mba konyora gavana banyali bali mba konyora gavana abagitutu banyora banchali bado bono nabo monchali gusechi nyombe itaranyora chibe bulinga chireta binga this time ninto lakini according to me first of all ndurara mu machogo sogire mukongo ndurara monchali mukongo sogire for governor seat nduranyora no tatabenga mugirango mingo magara that is strong mingo magara I rate him lowly why he has never made good decisions before no mungwana bangi na William Ruto bone William Ruto ne president anataka kanyora kende serikali ya Ruto tanyora serikali ya Ruto tanyora so there's a way that doubt his decision making but that is not strong though he can be a leader I don't know nali machua kuboyoro bone so na ndobre bulinga ntuntu akonyora ntuti atranyora so because mbayo very strong first of all I think clanism cannot be a big factor secondly tinda ranga gusiye ito clanism ngumateresa no sofa governor onye clanism yokumata anga machoguna agete Simbarati 2022 but especially nyali bali but ya nyali kantenga Simbarati abwete machogu nyali bali enyene kora kinga clanism is not a big factor as over governor 2022 because of Matiangi tinga clanism leche kwake kara Matiangi against Ruto through Simba well, one plus one. I want to guarantee you clanism will not be a big factor. But rende yali kunyalika omonyali bali abwata no machoge. China mechine chingia. Afu mu gitutu tigaro pa senator. Kusomo gitutu abwata no monyali bali. Mapema. Kusomo gitutu abwata no machoge. Akinyo ba senator butigari nyali bali. Tigaro kire nyombe nyore. Onyo ga kandovo governor, aina no senator. Aina no women rep, aina no deputy governor, aina na of governor. Simple. Finally, and most important, finance. Boni gabantu banali kuchipesa kusi. Tiamba tenga na ikaraso kama no mungwana kakantenga. Kusi as among the most expensive campaigns. Kuikose around. Boni gabantu bakwana 5,000. Chucha kurichipesa. Though through Matiangi and they can give a cabbed. Lakini chipesa njinga neri no muntu mwenye nugunju kanu kurwese kijore kama uchiye kende kulichikura. We count the kanu chigali tora mafuta kirenda yakolekana. When all that happens, there's money that must be available. Undete yo bata basa chisa ine. That's what I can say. Bandote abane machoguna wachi basa mona mali ya. Undete yo bata basa chisa ine. No ngwa ene wete 2017 ya biditi ya fundraise despite being a sitting governor. Kiro kelingega into a lot of money and it requires sacrifice from other people to help you. Aba usi irachinga kichino drop on the comment section. Ningogane ti abo levo governor. Mwa nga kiresi mi mama yose mbiyande. Aba usi nga kiresi mi. Bali bara kaniko support channel. Muko obwa inamba nene rawo. Teya mukwa umuntu womere pa bata match. Mugo ntika no umuntu pa pakana siyoga chi video. Nyasaba sasa ni byamuno sana to next time. Yandra ku follow mukwa times. Tola didi ndo bina bile. Mundalo gombolira gi. Mukwa ayo ko kanule one time. Njaka kibono channel yake gusi Ruto ngwa ka campaign ya. Channel yake gusi abasigisi ngora tanchi wake interview ga. Mugusi yake tali na Matiangi. Viongozi wao kwana. Tiangi rao.